Hi, my name is Doha and this is my FormAssembly data story. I work as a Junior Operations Associate here at InLoop. Over the years, our team of creators and developers have identified particular needs in the market, and we have launched, integrated and ran innovative platforms, applications and solutions that solve these needs. One of these solutions is Flexischools. Our mission is to make it easier for schools and parents to manage school-related purchases and payments while also promoting healthy eating options for students. Before FormAssembly, we found it difficult to create forms that were coherent, short, and to the point. This particularly prevented us from being able to provide the best services that we can when it came to customer success. After FormAssembly, we found that users were able to access these forms far more easily. They were able to navigate through the forms to reach the pain point that they were facing. One of the most prominent projects that we have worked on was creating a contact form that was consistent with our FAQ pages and that allowed users to access it from their phones or from the app. The contact form had to be short, to the point, and had to resolve many issues that our users faced. Through FormAssembly, we were able to create a form that was more succinct and user-friendly. Through the contact form, we were able to cut down on many hours of work with our customer success team only handling key issues over the phone, which were not able to be solved by the form. We were able to link a lot of our FAQ articles, which resolved a lot of the congestion in our ticketing platform. The backbone of our work is data. We need to collect form requests and submissions. We need to realize what our pain points are for our users, and we need to resolve those as soon as possible. FormAssembly has undoubtedly aided us in this. We're able to compile this data onto spreadsheets, transform it, and turn it into something of value for our team.